The holiday season, the time of gift giving, food, and of course, getting together with friends and family at social events. And for some of us, the holidays also mean we'll be cooking a mountain of food for hours that will be consumed in less than 20 minutes, finding the perfect outfit to hide the holiday pounds, and spending hours finding that perfect gift for the special someone. With so much money and time being spent already on food, gifts, and possibly travel, I'm here to help you save money and time on your beauty and bring beautiful, easy, and beginner friendly nail art designs you can achieve in under 30 minutes or less. And if you're new here to the channel, hi, welcome. I'm Rocky, your nail obsessed guide to achieving the Pinterest nails of your dreams. Typically, we upload once a week on this channel with the occasional live stream, but if you're tuning in this week, we have a special 6-day series featuring a new nail design to get your nails holiday party ready. Each day for the next 6 days will feature one design and how to pull it off faster than you can bake a holiday side dish. So sit back and relax with your favorite nail polish as we get into the first design in our 6-day series. Hello, all my nail enthusiasts, and welcome to the nail station. So, this was the foil I was playing around with, and I was like, ooh, I feel like we can somehow make this into a holiday nail. So, what we are using is gel polishes. You probably can also achieve this with regular nail polish. Be honest, I haven't used regular nail polish in years. There was one time on the channel, but that was for an experiment to turn it into gel polish. What we're doing though first is I'm just going in. Today I am using a mix of Blue Sky gel polishes and a gel polish from Beetles. This one here is White Mushroom. And I'm just painting 2 nails white. Those are going to be like our accent nails, so to say. And then I'm going in with the Black Vinegar, also from Blue Sky. And I'm doing that on the 3 other nails. The whole thought process behind this nail is the 2 nails painted white, I want to put the transfer foil on them, and then the 3 nails we're painting black, those will be done with a French smile line in white. And what's cool about this white Beetles one I'm using, it's called Screaming Soul. It goes on white, but it has this beautiful blue glow in the dark effect underneath like LEDs, UV, black light, or after enough light spin on it, it like charges up and looks so cool. And what I'm going to do also is we are going to be doing 2 coats while this polish goes on really well with 1 coat. The black on the pinky nail, you can see it here after I pulled it out. It's a little thinner than what I'd like. So just to make sure I have that nice, rich, full boldness from the colors, I'm going to go in with a 2nd coat. With this gel polish here, they really like it to be cured for 60 seconds in the type of lamp I have, which is a UV LED lamp. So after each coat, I pop it back in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I know it might look a little bit different right now, guys, because normally it's just my hands on the screen. Every so often we have animated Rocky, but today you have real Rocky in the flesh. Hello. I just thought with the holidays coming up, it would just, be fun for everybody to actually see each other and say hi. So, hi, here I am narrating the video today. I still can't talk and do nails at the same time, so it was next to impossible trying to do it when I was originally recording the video. So I was like, you know what, we'll just do a voiceover after everything is said and done. But now that the 2nd coat is painted on, this is the nail transfer foil from eNail Couture. This is called the Maxi Magic Film. I've been all over the place when I cure this. I sometimes will cure it for 15 seconds. Sometimes I'll cure it for 60 seconds. It really all depends on the brand for me. I found with this brand, my best results come from curing it for 60 seconds and then letting it sit for about 5 minutes. Nail transfer foil glue, it's a lot like base gel. It's not going to be, it's still going to have a sticky layer. It doesn't fully cure. And that's the point of letting it sit in the lamp and, semi curing is, I guess, a good term for it. So that way you have that stickiness there so the nail transfer foil can actually stick onto the nail. And now what I'm going in with is, I had to end up doing three. I won't make you guys suffer through all 3 coats, but I had to do 3 coats of this nail liner gel. Even after shaking it a few times in between of each nail, I kept having some separation issues. You can see it really bad there on the first nail. It's like, oh boy. So I had to go in with a couple of coats to get this to fix itself and look right and look normal. And for those of you also who have been longtime viewers, thank you so much for hanging out still, hanging by my side. As you know, I haven't uploaded in, oh wow, it's been almost like in a month and a half now when I look at the calendar. So it's been a little while since I have uploaded. Some of you may be aware that I live here in Florida, so I have gone through 2 hurricanes now and a couple other personal life events that have happened. So it's been a crazy month. But we are back. We are doing, like I said, a 6-day nail series, and this is day 1 in the series. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm putting on that nail foil, and I want the roses to always be towards like the bottom of the nail. I don't know why that was the aesthetic I was feeling. That's just how I wanted it. I also like to use my hands over silicone tools. I feel like the added heat from my fingertips helps the transfer foil really, I guess would be the word, transfer correctly enough onto the nail. And now I'm just going to cut off this little bit of extra, go back in, and foil up the other nail. And this is the cool thing about nail foils is you can put them on any way you want. Maybe you want the flower to be more sideways. Maybe you want the flower to be at the top because you have a more squared nail. And that was the other thing too. The other big point of doing these nail designs is not only being beginner friendly, but they are versatile enough to be on any nail shape. Maybe you like a square nail, maybe you like a coffin nail. What I'm using today are mini stiletto nails, which are from E-Nail Couture. They have almost like an almond-like shape to me, and this right now is just like my favorite nail for the last couple years. It's like an almond shape. So, but I did try some of these designs also out on a square nail. I have coffin nails. I have ballerina nails. I have Russian flute shaped nails. So we have it all here. And the designs were coming out very well on all of them. Just I had to alter maybe how I wanted to do the French line a little bit. So after everything was said and done, I'm going in with some matte top coat. I feel like the matte top coat, if your line isn't as perfect as you'd want it to be, kind of helps blend it and smooth that out a little bit. I also am just in my matte era right now. I don't know why. I really love the look of a matte nail right now. It is so clean and pretty to me. But as you can see, when you're using a matte nail polish or top coat rather, it still kind of has a glossy looking effect. So you can kind of get the idea of what these would look like with a shiny or more glossy effect if you wanted to opt out of a matte top coat. And that is again the cool thing about all these nail designs is while they are designs, you can copy them one for one. I totally don't mind at all. I kind of blush at that thought. The whole point is, to give you inspiration. Maybe you want to maybe you don't have this exact foil. You have one that's like blue roses that you want to use instead. Do like a blue holiday, blue Christmas feel. You could totally do that, and I think it would look really cute with like instead of the black and white nails, you could do a white nail with like a blue French tip and then maybe like a little bit of glitter towards the bottom of the nail. Maybe that'll be a nail we make later on. But I was feeling also kind of lazy, and I noticed my smile lines weren't really matching up the way I hoped they would. So this is where my best friend rhinestones come into play. I'm just going in with a little thin bead of rhinestone glue right around the edge of where the black and the white meet. And I had these really cool looking rhinestones. They were a mix of different colors, but I saw some fall-like colors in there, some oranges, some reds, and there was this really pretty, I call it like a chameleon color. If you look at it one way, it's purple, and another light, it's green, and another light, it looks blue. It is the most beautiful rhinestone. I ended up this big rhinestone you see here in the middle, that's going to go away here momentarily. At first I wanted to do like something really big in the middle, and then my brain clicked, oh, when you get to the pinky nail, if you try to use a charm that big, it's not going to look right and everything's going to be kind of thrown off. So I opted out, and I'm going to go back in with those smaller chameleon looking charms I was talking about. I feel they just, oh, they fit the fall mood so much better. But we've got a few more designs, like I said, for the next couple days planned up. They are all ready to go. I just have to finish editing the videos and getting the YouTube checks passed on them. As some of you know, like a week and a half ago, almost 2 weeks ago, I was going to upload a reaction video, and some things happened. It didn't get up in time. So finally I get it up, and YouTube totally shoots it down. They're like, no, you can't do that. You didn't transform it enough. Okay. So I try again. They still shot me down. So this video that you're watching now was actually originally part of a much longer video. I think the video was almost an hour and a half long, and it was all 6 designs in one video. But YouTube, for whatever reason, still really didn't like me very much. I'm not sure why, and the video was basically shadow banned. Like, nobody could find the video anywhere, and like, even me, when I would go to my page, like, sometimes I could find it, sometimes I couldn't find it, but if I went into like my YouTube studio, like where you actually upload and put your descriptions and all that fun stuff, I could see the video was there, and I could click on the link, and I could give the link to people. And it was up for like almost 2 days, and even after like 10-15 people watched the video from the link I gave them, it didn't count any of the views. And no, the video wasn't private or unlisted, it was public. So I think YouTube and TLC were just a little bit mad at me, and they've had me on like some type of weird time out. Hopefully this video, hopefully they're not as mad at me on this video. Maybe now that I talked about them, they're going to be mad at me, so this part might get edited out. Who knows? But we will be having a few more videos coming out the next couple days. Like I said, I just got to get the finishing touches and editing on them. I'm also going through a little bit of losing my voice. I don't know. I can truly feel that the winter holidays are among us. I always get sick with like strep throat or bronchitis or laryngitis, something this time of year. So it's getting there. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just shifting through all the different charms, trying to find the right colors and the ones that I want. I was originally using that little orange wood stick, and they work great, but I will say, if you're new to nails and you haven't invested yet in a rhinestone picker and a little rhinestone box, they're very cheap. They are very inexpensive. You can get a wax pen for like under $2, and these little cases as well, under $2 at most places. If you want to go to Temu or Shein, you can go that route. I got mine from Betsy, this little pink heart box. I got it for like $1.99, $1.50. It was super inexpensive. The rhinestone picker I'm using though in this video, it is a little bit on the pricey side. I got it from eNail Couture. I think originally they're $10, but I got it on a like a 40% off sale, so you know it's basically $5 almost for me. A little expensive, a little more than what I'd normally like to pay, but it is super cute. I like how it looks. It goes with the whole aesthetic and charm and feel of my station, so a couple dollars to match my station, whatever. And also what I like about this nail glue that I am using, this rhinestone glue, I got this one. Let me go find it real quick because it's right here next to me somewhere. There it is. I actually got this one off Temu. It's called XEIJAYI. I've got some gel polishes also from them, and typically I've only got this brand off Temu and Shein, but I've started seeing it popping up now more on Amazon. I love this rhinestone glue so much, but it literally holds down anything. It's like super glue. It's so amazing. I got a 3-pack for like $5, and I'm not the biggest in wearing charms. I really only kind of pull them out around the holiday seasons and special occasions, so I still have a lot of nail glue to go through, but this stuff, literally once I put on a charm and I cure it, it's not going anywhere. And you could get away with flash curing it for 15 seconds, but me, I'm just a fan of the 60-second rule. If it involves gel, I want it in there for at least 60 seconds. We're not risking any allergies here. And there we have it now, besties. Day 1 of our 6-day series is in the books. Let me know down in the comments, what did you think of this nail set? Are there, some alterations already that you're making? Or do you already have a set that you have on and maybe want to inspire the rest of your nail enthusiasts and buddies in the comments? Feel free to share anything that you would like down in the comments. I love to get in there and chit chat with all of you. We will be having also a live stream this week. I think it's going to be Friday or Saturday. So be on the lookout for that announcement. And if you don't know how to get those announcements, there's a really easy way to get them. YouTube has so kindly given this button that says subscribe. And if you click on it, it will give you little reminders of whenever I upload new videos or when I do go live. So if you want to help support that channel and support what we are doing here, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. We are on a goal to hit 500 subscribers before the end of the year, and we are so close. We are 13 away. I know we can do it. Woo! But as always, my nail besties, thank you so much for hanging out with me on today's video. I can't wait to see everybody tomorrow and in the upcoming live stream. And as always, as my favorite Sailor Mercury always said, be pure, be honest, be beautiful. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. I love you. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.